If there's a tiger over here and you want him to look at the tiger, you don't sign look this way, you sign it this way. Look.
เพย์นี่ไม่ได้เพย์กว่าเพย์
So this is called a directional sign. You point it in the direction you want your child to look.
จะเป็นกว่าเพย์เดี๋ยวเล่นในรถเปียร์คันเปียร์สุด
Okay.
คนเล่นนี่อันเดียวกัน
So, and if we're going to the zoo and we're going to look at the animals. Animals. It's a general word. It's a general word for the tigers and bears. Okay. Now, okay, so do you feel okay about that? We're going to go to the zoo. We will look at the animals. Walk with me. Stay with me. You have to hold hands. Have to. Okay. Now, what are we going to see at the zoo? We're going to see gorillas. Gorillas. Okay. These are signs for the animals. You are going to see monkeys. Now, do you feel silly signing this? Do you feel silly? Sometimes when you're out in public and you know people are watching you and you're signing, you feel a little embarrassed. Yeah. Don't feel embarrassed. Who cares? Really, if people are watching you, it's because they're very interested in sign language.